5 homemade anti-aging face masks you must try. In order to keep your skin firm and healthy, you should have a lifestyle which includes consumption of enough amounts of water and a healthy diet to aid in moisturizing your skin. Most anti-aging treatments made at home are safe. They are full of nutrients and add a glow to your face and improve the skin texture. Try making these amazingly effective face masks at home. You can help fight skin aging with home ingredients that make your skin look younger and less wrinkled. It's as easy as walking into your kitchen, picking a few ingredients, making a mask and applying it to your face. You just need to get the combinations right and be consistent with it. Papaya. This mask removes dead skin cells, helping to renew the skin. It also protects cells from free radical damage and helps to retain skin elasticity. You will need a portion of a papaya, plus 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mash the papaya in a bowl and add the lemon juice to it. Apply the paste on your face and neck, let it dry for 20 minutes. Rinse the mask and pat dry. You can apply this mask every day on your face. Banana. This mask is rich in vitamin E and vitamin A, that helps heal the skin and adds a glow to it. It also eliminates pigmentation and unevenness of skin tone. You will need 1 banana and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mash the banana in a bowl and add the rose water to it. Mix it well, apply the mixture to your face and neck. Let it dry for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off with cold water. Pat dry. You can apply this mask every alternate day. Potato and carrot. This mask heals skin blemishes and dark circles, brightening the skin. It contains vitamin A, which reduces the appearance of wrinkles on the skin. You will need 1 medium-sized potato, 1 medium-sized carrot and 1 teaspoon rose water. Grind the potato and carrot together in a bowl, add rose water to the paste and mix well. Apply the paste on your face and neck and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse the mask off and pat dry. You can apply this mask every day. Coffee. The coffee mask smoothens the face and reduces the fine lines on it. It clears the skin by removing dead skin cells. You will need 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 teaspoon cocoa and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix the coffee and cocoa powder together. Add coconut oil, forming a paste. Apply the paste on your face and neck. Allow the paste to dry for 15 to 30 minutes. Then gently remove it by exfoliating with cold water. Pat dry. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Seaweed. The seaweed mask smoothens, tones, and moisturizes the skin. The vitamin C it contains increases skin elasticity. You will need 1 tablespoon seaweed powder and 2 tablespoons lukewarm water. In a bowl, mix the seaweed powder with warm water until it forms a fine paste. Apply it on your face and let it dry for 15 to 30 minutes. Wash it off with water and pat dry. You can apply this mask 3 to 4 times a week. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.